Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Zeely app works, what it offers, and whether it's actually worth using if you're starting or growing an online business. Zeely is a mobile-based app designed to help entrepreneurs create an online store straight from their phone. It's built for users who might not have any design or technical skills, and it focuses heavily on speed and simplicity. The app uses AI to generate your website layout based on your business type and product info. You don't need to build anything from scratch once you enter your details. Zeely gives you a working site with product pages and pricing in place. You can sell both physical and digital products, and the app's structure makes it easy to start accepting orders quickly. It's especially helpful for freelancers, small business owners, or first-time sellers. One of Zeely's key features is its marketing support. The app generates ad copy and visuals that you can use for social media, making it easier to promote your store even if you don't have marketing experience. It also offers integrations with platforms like WhatsApp and Instagram, so you can handle communication and promotion from inside the app. That's useful if you're running everything from your phone. You'll also get basic analytics tools to monitor site traffic and conversions. While not as detailed as Google Analytics, they offer enough insights for small sellers to track performance and adjust strategies. Zeely's design is clean and mobile optimized. It uses modern pre-built templates, and you can drag and drop sections to adjust your layout. However, the customization is limited compared to desktop website builders. There's no access to advanced design tools or coding features, so users wanting full control over branding may feel restricted. It's built for fast setup, not deep customization. Another downside is the subscription pricing. Although there's usually a free trial, most core features are locked behind a paid plan, which could be a drawback for people looking for a free solution. It also may not be ideal for large-scale e-commerce businesses. If you're managing many products, need integrated shipping tools, or want complex inventory options, Zeely might feel too limited. That said, Zeely performs well within its niche for solo sellers and entrepreneurs who want a quick, mobile-first way to start selling online. It offers a streamlined and beginner-friendly experience. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.